Dragon kick it.
Dragon.
Kick it.
Like read from the title, today I'm gonna show you guys how you can earn $12 by just listening a song. I'm gonna show you guys what the website look like. You're gonna find out how it look like. Just follow me and keep watching my video. But before we start today's video, guys, subscribe my channel. Cause as I told you before, or if you watch my first video, I told you guys to subscribe my channel because I started creating YouTube videos a few days ago. So yeah, I'm new, so supporting by just subscribe my channel. Yeah, let's start today's video. First, turn on your data. Guys, I recommend you guys to use Google Chrome because it's more versatile when compared with other browsers. After that, go to playlistpush.com. As you can see here, up here, playlistpush.com. Playlistpush.com is popular playlist owners, monetize and grow your playlist. As you can see here, gateway to review song. We pay you to listen a song, to listen and review song. If you like it, we ask you to consider adding into your one of your playlist. To qualify as a creator, you need to own a playlist with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. You can sign up here. Depending on your reputation and engagement, you can earn up to $12 per song. Guys, if you ask me why I'm not signing up, because this website is not available for some countries. Like if you live in a country like African countries, or if you live in a country like Afghanistan or Pakistan, it doesn't work for countries like that, because when you sign up, it will ask you to sign up for your Spotify account. First, you need a Spotify account. If you don't have a Spotify account, go to Google and search for create a Spotify account, and you're gonna need a Spotify account. If you have already a Spotify account, it's good. You can sign up here and it will ask you to put your Spotify account, and after that you're done, you're in. But Spotify is not available for some countries like that. For example, I live in a country. I live in Africa, so I try to create a Spotify account, but it's not available in a country. So I tried, but yeah, one day I'm tired of it, so I stopped. But if Spotify is available in a country, you can create this account and earn $12 by just listening a song. It's simple and easy. You can check it out. Support weekly payments, request a payment anytime. We pay out every Friday via PayPal. Yeah, they have only one way payment. Yeah, it's PayPal. So if PayPal is not available in your country, it doesn't work. But if PayPal is work for you guys, you can create, you can earn, and you can receive your money through your PayPal every Friday. Yeah, discover new music, discover new music by independent artists for your playlist. Yeah, it's just like this. Go and check her out. I think this video helped you a little bit. I'm gonna meet you guys with another video. Guys, please subscribe my channel like I told you before, and like my video if you enjoyed, and share it with your friends. Guys, please subscribe my channel, because you understand me. And subscribe my channel, and I'm going to show you guys in the next video. Bye.
Dragon kick it.
Dragon.